When others see only black, you see everything. VisuGear Night Thunder X3 Premium Metallic Finish, tactical by design. Explore the night in stunning 4K clarity. Every branch, every ripple, every unseen moment, now crystal clear. When the sun goes down, the Night Thunder X3's IR power guides your way through pitch-dark nights. In low-light environments, AI Color Boost mode reveals the world in true-to-life color. When stealth turns to movement, a built-in flashlight cuts through the dark, lighting every step ahead. IP65 rated for water and dust resistance, built to endure the outdoors and handle whatever comes your way. In complete darkness, you see what others can't. With Night Thunder X3's powerful vision, see up to 1,000 feet in long-range infrared clarity. See farther. Find your way. When others stop, you push forward. VisuGear Night Thunder X3. Own the night. Built for real missions.